Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Valentina stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 1. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now we're going to start the sequence of this row. You're going to skip 2 chains into this next one, make a double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet into that same chain as the double crochet. So same thing, skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet, skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Now you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains, making a double crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. When you reach the end of this row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain and then into the last chain of this row, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now this row is going to be the same as row 1, but we're going to be working into these chain spaces that we made instead of these foundation chains down here. So you're going to skip to this next chain space. You can see it's this right here. You're going to make that same thing, a double crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Skip to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Move to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, and single crochet all into that space. Move to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet all into that space. Move to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, single crochet all into that same space. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Into that stitch, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Valentina stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.